Welcome back to another Slaburday Saturday. I am Paul. We have a mystery log number 2 on here. It has, let's just get into it. Oh man! So I have had this log for an extremely long time. I know I say that about all of them, but it is a very interesting one. I don't know what species it is, and it's got a crazy wave going on to the bark. Even you can see how it has the checking on the outside. And yes, this is a very old log, and if this would have been sawn right away, you wouldn't have any of this checking on the edges, as well as this gray color. You would have like the natural color of when the tree came down. For live edge tables though, I actually like this patina that we get after the log sits out, for years basically, as well as the checking. It's very, very unique, and it brings more character to the table. But damn, these waves are crazy. So I'm very excited to see what the lumber turns out to be in this log. I'm not very good at talking today, but probably I should stick to sawmilling, I suppose. But what we're going to do is cut this end off. So when it was sawn down, does that make any sense? I don't know. This is, I wish I should know this stuff. I should know this stuff. This is where they cut it and the tree falls over. See the angle here? So I want to kind of get rid of all this stuff because I don't want it on all of my slabs. And then it does have a big angle here that's kind of a waste also. So I'm going to just cut off 3 to 4 inches, but this is also going to let us do something fun. We're going to try to guess the species by looking at what the end grain is. All right, Chad, so here's the thing. We're all going to guess what species this is. So you can start thinking now. The gears are turning. Whoever is wrong, whoever's right. You said whoever's right buys lunch.
I know.
That makes no sense.
Yeah.
Whoever's wrong has to buy lunch.
I think I have a little bit of insights here, though.
Oh, really? Did I tell you what kind of wood it is?
I think so.
I told you what kind I think it is then. Okay. What kind of wood do you think it is?
I'm going to go with elm.
I'll go with elm also. What are you going to go with, Andy?
Spalted maple.
Oh, okay. We got 2 elms and a spalted maple.
All right, we'll see what happens.
All right, stoggles engaged. We're going to make some sawdust. We're going to check these slabs out. I'm actually thinking maybe that's spalted poplar, but I don't know. It's really fast growing. Elm will have interlocking grain. Spalted maple, well, if it's spalted maple, Andy's right, and that just can't happen. Oh, I don't know, Andy might be onto something here. Still hard to say. Really cool, the waves coming through though, in the staining. Check that out. That's sweet. All right, this will tell us a little bit more. There's a chance it could be elm. It's getting dark in the heart now. Wow, I still don't know. We're gonna have to take a few more slices. It's cutting nice and flat though. Still the same blade as the last log. Can't complain with that, all right? All right, we brought the sawmill back, and I tried to go. I just went up with it over the log, and then I tried going down with it here, and then up and then down and up and then down. It wasn't working. This is a threaded Acme rod that goes through these floating bushings, basically, that are also threaded. And we just noticed there's actually some metal sticking out right here, which obviously is not a good situation. Not a good situation at all. Look at that. I wonder what that is from. All right, we're going for the Trifecta water pop. The water pop, pop, pop as it goes. Oh man! I'm not even gonna do 3. Check that out. You gotta get in there right now. My God. Jesus. Holy, look at that, eh? So, do we know what it is yet? Crazy, eh?
Spalted maple.
I don't think it's too light to be maple.
Light spalted maple. It's got everything.
Man, look at the difference in color. All right, Justin just came up and he's guessing what kind of wood it is. What do you think? First, before you do check this out over here. I know these outside cuts are hard to see, Justin, but check out over here. It does have this going on, and there's not too many species that have this kind of stuff going on.
Oh, that.
I know, right? It's very fast growing too, like very fast. It could even be beech, because beech has this.
Maple has.
Maple does
Maple
kind
has
of.
a little bit of that.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe beech. There's zero bark on it.
Timbersmith is the king of beech. He'll be able to tell you.
Can you tell us?
Because he'll sawmill anything.
It's still unknown, folks. Let us know what you think it is. Well, and unfortunately, this is the end of Slaburday Saturday. The sawmill is officially broken. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get this threaded piece off of there and get it replaced. It is what it is. It's probably a wear component. It is a brass right on a really hardened steel thread. So I guess, as they say, shit happens. Well, as always, thanks for spending your Saturday morning with us. If you're watching this at a later date, thanks for spending that later date with us.
What's up, guys? We're up here for
oh man. And by the way, Chad has been taking care of our story time. Oh, hey, there he is.
Reception here.
So we're having a little fun too. It's not all serious. It's not all serious around here. Most of the time, very serious. I'm just supposed to say smash the like button, subscribe, make it a great one.